Hello, my dear friends. Well, I'm gonna explain you these words, estos and estas. Estos and estas are translated as this, and exactly as this too. Okay. So, but as I told you before, in English, I mean in Spanish, we imply the gender, and so for this case, this is plural, near, and masculine. Okay, so plural, near, masculine. Okay, for example, marker is a masculine noun, so we could say estos son mis marcadores. Sería, estos son mis marcadores. Estos son mis marcadores, okay? So these are my markers. These are my markers. Estos son mis marcadores. Then what else do I have in here? I don't know, let me check. Let me check. I don't know anything in plural. Ah, yeah, I got something here. Okay, I got some realia. Okay, so estos son mis platos. Estos son mis platos. Okay, so this example will be like this. Estos son mis platos. Okay, estos son mis platos is like these are my dishes. Okay, let me get something here. Let me get what else? What can I get here? Books, some books in here. Yeah, we could say, I'm getting a book. Wait for me. Okay, so estos son mis libros. Estos son mis libros. Okay, so estos son mis libros. In English, these are my books. Estos son mis libros. Okay, so now we could say also what this is in plural, but this is going to be not okay. This is plural, near, and feminine. Okay, so estas is for plural, near, feminine. Estos was for plural, near, masculine, and estas plural, near, feminine. Okay, for example, I got something here. Okay, let me see. I've got something else. Okay. We could say something like this, my dear friends. Estas son mis cucharas. O estas son cucharas. Estas son cucharas. Okay. In English, obviously, these are spoons. These are spoons. Estas son cucharas. Okay. They are feminine, near, plural. I can touch them. Okay. What else? Let me see here. If I found something. Oh yeah, something like this. We can say this. Estas son mis flores. Estas son mis flores. Very old flowers, but anyway. Estas son mis flores. Estas son mis flores. Okay? These are my flowers. Estas son mis flores. These are my flowers. Plural, near feminine. Okay? So I hope the examples are clear for you. So just remember estos for plural near masculine and estas for plural near feminine. Okay? Estas son cucharas. These are spoons. Estas son mis flores. These are my flowers. Okay? Well, see you in the next video. In the next video, we will explain aquellos, aquellas, esos, esas, aquellos, aquellas. See you in the next video. Bye bye.